Adding a solar battery to your home is a heavy financial lift. We're talking anywhere from $6,000 to $20,000 out of pocket. In the 2026 Australian market, you are almost guaranteed to end up comparing two specific heavyweights, Alpha ESS and Fox ESS. Deciding between them comes down to a careful audit of your daily lifestyle and the reliability of your local grid. If you buy the wrong system for your situation, you risk wasting thousands of dollars up front and finding yourself sitting in the dark exactly when you need power the most. When you start comparing spec sheets, the numbers blur together quickly, but a lot of the core features between these two brands are actually identical. In this comparison table, both systems use identical LiFePO4 battery chemistry. Both handle the intense Australian heat and back up their hardware with 10-year warranties. But at capacity range and scalability, the two brands take completely different paths. This divergence in scale reveals how differently each brand expects you to interact with your energy storage. The decision ultimately rests on whether you want a lean tool for daily savings or a heavy-duty system for whole home energy security. Let's start with Fox ESS, which functions primarily as the value optimizer for standard grid-connected homes. They use a modular stacking design. You buy exactly the storage capacity you need, usually between 10 and 20 kilowatt-hours, without paying for a massive, oversized enclosure. This pricing breakdown highlights their aggressive market strategy. Fox ESS comes in at roughly $832 per usable kilowatt-hour, keeping your upfront costs low and accelerating your return on investment. Under the hood, it uses a high-voltage architecture that hits 95 to 98% round-trip efficiency. If you want to squeeze every cent of value out of the solar energy hitting your roof, this hardware delivers. The trade-off for that budget-friendly price is in the backup capability. Fox provides standard EPS backup, meaning it will keep essential circuits running, but it is not designed to power a heavy-duty house through a multi-day blackout. There are also software growing pains. As noted in this real-world feedback summary, while the hardware performs well, users frequently report frustrating delays getting help from overseas support during firmware updates. If your goal is to slash your daily bills on a budget, Fox ESS is your champion. You just have to accept it won't act as a bulletproof fortress if the grid completely fails. Alpha ESS takes the opposite approach. This is the resilience heavyweight, built for homeowners who prioritize absolute security. Its defining feature is an advanced hybrid inverter architecture that provides UPS-style blackout protection. When the grid drops, the transition to battery power happens so fast your appliances don't even have time to reset. Looking at the key specifications, Alpha guarantees backup power kicks in under 20 milliseconds. Checking the Smile 5 series below, it can expand to 80 kilowatt-hours, providing massive capacity for electric vehicles or a large family. That premium capability demands a premium budget. Going back to our cost table, Alpha ESS averages around $1,025 per usable kilowatt-hour, meaning it will take longer to pay for itself. You also have to be meticulous about who installs it. Because it's a complex setup, cheap installations frequently result in messy wiring, Wi-Fi drops, and app pairing failures. Alpha ESS requires a larger initial investment and a highly vetted installer. In return, you get a genuinely off-grid capable system that isolates you from unpredictable infrastructure failures. There is no objective winner here. Your decision hinges entirely on identifying your primary motivation for buying a battery, as we can trace on this scenario flowchart. If you live in the suburbs, rarely lose power, and just want to store your daytime solar to offset evening electricity rates, you are on the lower bills path. Fox ESS is your clear match. If you live regionally, deal with frequent brownouts, own an EV, and expect your entire house to stay online when the neighborhood goes dark, follow the grid independence path. Alpha ESS is built for you. Knowing whether your priority is suburban savings or rural prep dictates which system will actually work for your home. Keep in mind that selecting the right hardware is only half the battle. A poor installation will sabotage either of these batteries. Advanced capabilities like integrating into a virtual power plant or balancing three-phase power require accredited professionals to configure correctly. When you are ready to move forward, look for an expert team. You can see Austar Solar's contact details here, alongside their Clean Energy Council approved solar retailer badges. which is exactly the level of certification you need for a customized site assessment. Securing your home's energy future means finding the battery that matches your lifestyle and partnering with an expert who knows how to install it right.